guys, it's Gina, and I want to thank the brand Sleep ZM for sending over these blue light blocking glasses. And I want to tell you, I have a real problem with my eyes feeling really tired, and I know it has a lot to do with the fact that I spend a lot of my day looking at electronics. These glasses block up to 100% of blue and green light. The lenses are clinically inspired to help reduce eye fatigue, which we hope helps lead to better sleep. I'm sure you've all heard about how blue light can affect our sleep, and I put these glasses to the test for the last week. When you look at them up closely, and I will show you them up close in just a minute, you will find they have a little bit of a yellow tint to them, and that's that filtering is blocking the blue light. First, let's take a look at what's inside the box. Okay, let's take a look at what the glasses are going to look like when you get them. First thing you're going to do is take out your glasses, and I want to show you what else is included inside the box. You can see the yellow tint in the lenses. I'm going to show you that a little bit closer. I want you to understand that is what is blocking the blue light. So when you get them and you put them on and you're like, oh, there's a little bit of a yellow tint, that's why. So they include this nice little pouch for you to put the glasses in. You have their logo right on the front. It says Sleep ZM. They also have a nice cleansing cloth so you can clean the glasses when you need to. And something really unique is also inside here, so let me show you. Look really closely. This says Blue Light Test Area, and they actually give you a little blue light flashlight. So let me show you what it looks like when I shine. See the blue light on the white paper on that test area? When I stop shining it, you will see how it leaves that blue color. So I'm going to try to shine the blue light through the lens. I'll do it over in the corner. See that? See how it's not going, the blue light now does not go through to the white paper. So if I move the glasses, you'll see it. This isn't some kind of magic trick. This is actually how these work. So now let's take a little look again about what they look like when you put them on. Okay, so now I'm going to put the glasses on for you so you can kind of see how they look. And instantly, and this is something that when I mentioned, when you first put them on, you'll notice the adjustment that there is a little bit of a yellow tint. And again, it's important that you understand that's because it is filtering out the blue light. And that's what you want it to do. After using these glasses for about the past 7 or 8 days, I can definitely tell a difference. I can absolutely tell that they are filtering the blue light out. The nose pieces are molded, so you don't have to worry about if you're like me, I'm always putting glasses on top of my head. It's also very important to point out that Sleep ZM has varying degrees of how much blue light they're filtering out. So they have some with yellow lenses, they have some with orange lenses, and each type of lens filters out a different amount of blue light. These with the yellow tint block out around 45 to 60% of the blue light. They even offer a clear lens, but the clear lens only blocks out about 30% of blue light. If you're looking for the lens that blocks out the most amount of blue light, they do also offer some with an orange tint that blocks out 99.9% of blue light. When going to their website to order, be sure and look at the different lens colors or lens types so that you can pick the ones with the level of blue light filtering that you would like. Thank you again to Sleep ZM for these glasses. Again, if you're looking for some blue light filtering glasses, I think this is a really good find.